5, 4, 3, 2.
I know, you see, somehow the world will change for me and be so wonderful. Live life, breathe air. I know somehow we're gonna get there and feel so wonderful. It's all for real. I'm telling you just how I feel. So wake up, the members of my nation. It's your time to be. There's no chance unless you take one. And the time to see the brighter side of every situation. Some things are meant to be, so give me your best and leave the rest to me. Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. Just leave it all to me.
We'll be investigating the legendary Harrybrook Park Haunted Museum, well known for its overwhelming influx of paranormal activity. Built in 1966 by Frank and his wife Elizabeth Hardin, the museum has been open to the public for countless walks, family picnics, weddings, and many other activities.
Hi, I'm Paige Shinford.
And I'm Bill Buckby. I'm the executive director of Harrybrook Park and Hardin House Museum.
Can you tell us about the owners of this house and the history?
Sure, why don't I take you for a walk? We'll show you.
Okay.
So this is the sunroom. This was their favorite room in the entire house. This is where they spent most of their time. This was a late addition, but it doesn't work anymore. Sorry. I would love to set up like a PlayStation to this. It would be the coolest thing in the world to do, but I can't do it. Yeah, Frank Hardin loved horses, but he didn't feel as if he had enough space here with 48 acres to have any horses. Now people have them on like 1 acre, but Frank didn't feel it was fair to the horses. But yeah, it's a really cool room. It's a room they spent most of their time in, and it's a room that everyone's always impressed by because of, well, frankly, the view. Come on in. So to talk about some of that too, different things happen in the house, smells happen in the house, and I'll show you some of that. We also find bobby pins, which you can see one right on the guest book there, that was found just last week. Out of nowhere, they just pop up. And this is when the house has just been cleaned too, so there's no way it wouldn't have been picked up either with a broom or a vacuum or something in the house. They just appear. So this is Frank Hardin. It was his house. He built in 1941. Frank was born in 1880 in Bronxville, New York. And then was, when he was 1 year old, his mother passed away, and he was shipped off to Northern Ireland with his baby brother, who she had passed away right after giving birth to. So he was raised by his grandparents in Northern Ireland. But when he came back here at about 15 or 16 years old, within the family business, which is right here, they made the best Irish linen handkerchiefs in the world and actually own the world's largest handkerchief factory. That's a thing. Frank was looking for a place in the country that reminded him of Ireland, and that's what Harrybrook is. It's that place that reminded him so much of Northern Ireland where he grew up. You ready? So this is the lovely Mrs. Hardin. She was 29 years younger than Frank. She was a model at Bergdorf Goodman in New York City, and she sadly passed away the year before Frank. But on occasion, she'll send us little hints and tricks that she's still here. And
As you can see right there, the jukebox is just turned on by itself.
the radio shouldn't be on. Interesting.
We got some. Oh wow, look at that. So, around the house, here, zoom in on that. So around the house, bobby pins will be found here and there. So right now, what we just found is a bobby pin on the floor. Was this on the cabinet here?
No. We just had the whole place cleaned literally for the last week.
Really?
Vacuums running, dusting, everything.
Do you know where this could have come from?
If I had a nickel for every one of those that showed up since I've been here, where I have no idea where they came from, I'd probably have a bunch of nickels.
Well, thank you so much for watching. It's okay if I don't catch anything, but we still got next time. So stay tuned for the next episode. What is happening?
Oh my gosh! Let's go. Get out here. Get out. Holy cow. Not even- So, do you like what we've done with the house?
Oh, it's a beautiful place.
How like what's Ghost like?
Oh, you know, lassie, it's been quite a ride.
Oh.
Action. Perfect. Good. Favorite part is the community that I'm a part of. Because I'm in the musical, you know, everyone is so nice and kind and accepting. So I really like the people that I'm with. Compared to other activities, it's really hard to like keep control of like the masks and like spacing everybody out, but I think we really got it down this year, and I think we're taking the precautions really well. It's being filmed this year. Well, last year we didn't perform it, but we would have done it live. And there are some changes in the dance, and the way we learn songs is more distance, obviously. But I am excited about the filming part because I have like a lot of family that like lives in different places, so they can come see me. Like not come see me, but they can see me online, and that'll be like a way for them to know and like see it and stuff.
Well, it's different from last year because usually we were all in this room, kind of in tight quarters, and now you guys are kind of spread out throughout the building trying to learn your music. New this year, there are student leaders who have been doing an excellent job as section leaders, keeping everything going, because otherwise I'd have to be in 3 places at once so that we could keep you guys in small groups. But I think overall you guys have been doing an awesome job keeping it together and keeping it going. I'm very impressed with how the music is sounding, and I can't wait to hear how it sounds when it's all done and edited.
It's currently 7:22, and this is hour 10. Are we on hour 10?
Backstage with the crew, we can't have as many people, and so we're really relying on just the select few to do a lot and pull a lot of weight. And I'm so far very proud of my crew to see what they have done with that.
Honestly, I might feel less nervous because I know if we mess up huge, then we could always redo it and retake it.
Yeah, what a great question. I definitely think that filming it this year, it's pretty cool. I think that this is something that we're all getting used to, is new ways to experience theater and new ways to experience just the world around us. And I know from my personal experience, I'm excited to have it filmed just because, you know, I have a few high notes in the show, and every night I freak out and I'm like, am I gonna hit it? Is my voice gonna crack? And I know this time at least it'll be recorded, so I don't have to worry about it as much. The weight's off my shoulders.
Wazowski and Sully, we're the best guarantee. Wazowski and Sully, collecting all those screams.
Now put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. Okay, we're rehearsing a scene from the upcoming play. Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. It's a musical. Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. So help me, so help me, and God.
Get me in, Eudora, put you through the shredder, put you through the shredder, put you through the shredder. If I don't see Eudora, put you through the shredder, put you through the shredder, put you through the shredder.
Ayo, it's a 2319!
Run, duck and run for cover, the scare floor is in disarray. Just pray for the CDA to come soon. Stop, run, shock contamination, hide, help, it's a code 2319.
I'm watching, Wazowski. Always watching.
Okay, so I'm watching this makeup tutorial. I don't know anything about makeup. That looks like an eye thing. Eyebrow. Yep, that got it. Eyebrow. That's Abby. I know that's Abby. So that looks like a face thing. That's an eye. Eyes are face. That counts. Yeah, that's like that's to blend it. That's to blend it. I think that blended it. So this is eyeshadow. I think it's called, and I'm yeah, right. Right? That's purple. Cool. Yeah, I think that's eyeshadow, right? It can be colored and then you like put a couple different colors together. Whoa, James Charles, fancy. Look at you. Going with a darker purple now. Blending it in. I'm pretty sure this is eyeshadow. Like, I think this is eyeshadow. I'm confident in that. That's my final answer. Yellow, whoa, we got a little, like, sunset sort of gradient here. Pretty neat. That, same stuff, right? That's gonna go on her eye, too? Yeah! More color. I'm sorry for the dead air there. Cut that. Cut that. So now, is it like a second eye are you doing? I don't I don't know what the blue, oh, it's just going completely over the purple. Cool. So, wasted my time with that first coat of purple, and you just covered it all. That's eyebrow, eyelash, whoa, arson, okay. So that's eyelash clippers. I know that for a fact. I've never seen anyone heat them up before. That's so weird. Oh, I didn't mean clippers. I just meant they went on eyelashes. I didn't know they curled them, actually. I actually, that's a lie. I feel like I did know they were eyelash curlers. Those are fake eyelashes. Duh. I know that. They're on. Wow. It's BB. It's, yeah. That's what is that foundation? Is that what, does foundation come in a squeezy tube like that? I always assumed it would just be like a little jar thing or something. This is highlights. I want to say this is highlights. I could be completely wrong about that, but who knows? That's contour. That's contour. I know that. Because it's like drawing lines on your face to make shadows. Geez, I'm sorry for the dead air. I'm leaving here. Cut out all the gross parts where my mouth was just making sounds. and cut that too. So this is, yeah, that's contour, and then you blend it in. I'm real sorry. I'm bad at this. I can't fill dead air. So now we're on something new now. Is this highlights? Is this what highlight? That's is that also foundation? I didn't pay attention. This is lipstick. I feel like. I don't super know the difference between lipstick and lip gloss. Is lip gloss just like glossy lipstick? Or is there lip gloss and glossy lipstick? I don't... Ooh, whoa, I missed this whole situation. Is this... I don't know what this part is. Oh, and it's done. Whoa, and we did it. That's the step-by-step on how you do this.